Hey everyone, welcome back to Coded Row. In this video, we're going to be going over the free assets of the month provided by Unreal Engine for August 2024. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing I want to show off is the stylized Nanite Dungeon Pack by Studio Kobo. So right away on loading this level, you can see that it is a very unique style. I feel like this would kind of be perfect with some cinchy stuff as long as you have some sort of cell shading for some outlines. I'm not sure what it is, but something about this just is giving me a very cell shaded type vibe. And it does look really, really nice. It does come with a few rooms, treasure chests, a bunch of nice props that you need in your dungeons. It looks like breakable pots from Legend of Zelda, some really nice textured wood logs, and broken floors, along with broken chests, some shiny potion looking thing over there, and some lava pit or fire pit. And there are a few weapon props. I really like the shield, for example. I think this looks amazing, and some carcasses. And now let's take a look at the modular Asian medieval city. So it does look pretty stylized. It is this map is pretty well optimized. I was able to load this really quickly, and it looks like your pretty standard Chinese Asian type village or city. There's some water textures, nice shading, some lit up lanterns along with these gates, and it does have some indoor sections as well as some nice weapon meshes that you could probably take to Blender and separate them if needs be. And they actually do come in separate pieces, which is really nice. There's actually a ton of assets in this. I feel like the showcase doesn't really do this this asset pack justice. There is a ton of assets, tons of folders here. So let me just filter it by the static meshes themselves. So yeah, as you can see here, there are a ton of meshes to go through, and a lot of them does come with blueprints. It even comes with a sky sphere, which is nice. And yeah, just a lot of very Asian type furniture and assets. But yeah, I do like the background. I do love how this looks. There's even a nice port and some gates in the water. And yeah, overall, a very nice and stylized looking asset pack. And now let's go over the Undercity plus Waterland bundle. I believe this is two things. So let's go over both of them. So this first one is the Undercity. It's giving this for some reason is giving me some old school PlayStation games that have been remastered. I'm not sure why I get that feeling. But yeah, I love the smoke. A lot of brick stuff here, and some pretty intense lighting going on. Now let's check out the Wonderland bundle, or the Wonderland map. And this is not what I expected at all. This looks like a theme park, honestly. Very stylized. I do kind of like this. And yeah, definitely very unique. I really hope there's some indoor stuff to this. Huh? What the? Okay, so nothing indoor, unfortunately. I guess they're just for show. Players wouldn't really be able to utilize the indoors. But at least when you hit play, the flags are moving and the windmill is moving. Same with the grass. Some nice foliage, some stylized bridges, and yeah, very stylized looking castle type stuff. And now let's look at the skeleton modular stuff. And when I hit play, you can see walking animations on these zombie skeleton knights. I think they look really cool. They would look perfect in some sort of Souls-like type game, especially if you're going for an HD vibe and can't really find mobs. One thing I really like is that they are modular. They come with a ton of pieces, different materials for each of these, and you can split them up however you want, just so you can dismantle them when you destroy them. And yeah, overall, this is a really amazing asset pack. And now let's go over the Moore's RPG template. So this actually just came out a month ago. As you can see, it's only available on 5.4. Says the release date. Oh yeah, it's version 2.12 released on July 9th. It's more of a complete project. So let's go ahead and check this out. So I guess I'll just click play. All right, that's a little better. Yeah, so it actually does kind of feel okay. Oh, I can middle click to look around. Wow, the controls are pretty odd. Okay. At least there's all right, yeah, these controls are kind of but whatever. So when I hit E, I can communicate. Okay, I'm glad I can skip that. Captain Gildar, nice. Little mic quality. Why is this guy naked? So I can sheath, which is cool. Play an animation. I have a inventory. This is actually looking like Skyrim. Oh, does it work? Oh, it does. That's nice. So I can right click to equip on my left hand and left click to equip on my right hand, I think. Oh, nice. I got a claymore. Okay, I see. All right, let's mount the horse. Okay, I have to sheath in order to mount it. Thick animation. Oh my god, and the controls actually feel like a horse. After playing with ACF's horse controls and how bad it is, it's just kind of weird to use actual good controls. All right, so let me get out of the horse. Oh, Z to dismount horse. Okay. How do I close my favorites tab? Okay, I just restarted it. Oh my god, my ears. I'm not sure if you guys will be able to hear the audio in this, but there is audio for every single thing. There's a house icon there. I wonder what that is. Oh, nice. A stamina bar in the center middle. And I have some HP regen, which is cool. I like the player minimap on the top right. I think it does feel kind of like a game that really needs a lot of heavy work. But at least for this template, there is a lot of stuff that's already done for you. And it's cool, there's another town that you have to run off to. So now we're in Cadbury, a little town screen. How do we get in here? Bro, relax. Nice, they can't get me. Below shop here. All right, overall, pretty cool asset. I don't think I'll ever really need to use it. It's not replicated, it's only for single player, and that's totally fine. And yeah, that pretty much covers all the assets. Get your free assets of the month. You have until next month. Thanks for watching. Code the road, like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. You're good.